What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for Monday, February 13th, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, everyone. It seems like a new week equals a new threat nowadays, as a slight risk of severe weather is introduced across the Arklatex region, extending into parts of the lower Mississippi Valley for Wednesday. With only weak to moderate instability forecast to develop, it remains unclear at the moment how these severe storms will evolve with this system. So, you guys, as you can see here, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk of severe weather for the Arklatex region, extending into parts of the lower Mississippi Valley, the lower to mid Mississippi Valley here. And as you can see, cities that is included within this slight risk area for severe weather does include Shreveport, Memphis, Little Rock, Greenville, Texarkana. Then we have a lesser marginal risk of severe weather outlining this slight risk, which does include the Jackson area, Dallas, up to near Nashville, Tennessee. All these areas will be at risk for some severe weather come midweek. All right, you guys, as we take this off and look at the model here, we're going to take a look at our usual mid to upper level flow here. All right, let's go. Let me get this together for you guys. All right, you guys, here we go. Now, as we take a look at the mid to upper levels here, this will be valid for roughly 6 p.m. on Wednesday. And as you can see here, I'm going to outline, let me go back here because I want to put the slight risk of severe weather and all that back on here, the Storm Prediction Center's convective outlook, shall I say. All right, you guys, as we take a look here at the mid to upper levels, this will be roughly about Wednesday evening, 6 p.m. You can see the strong southwest flow is starting to enter Texas here. And as you can see with these arrows I have, that is showing our low level flow. And as you can see, the air starts to pile up here across the lower to mid Mississippi Valley, northwest Mississippi, northeast Louisiana, southern Arkansas. As I move this into time, let me go here. We're going to move this into time to 9 o'clock. And as you can see, as this southwest flow continues to advance eastward, the southwest flow, this trough, advances eastward out of Texas. You can see that the strong low level wind profiles start to strengthen here quite nicely across north central Mississippi, southern Arkansas, and parts of northeast Louisiana. And that is where your greatest risk for severe weather will be at come Wednesday evening and overnight. So if you stay within this area of the country, please be on the lookout for some severe weather. Damaging winds, isolated hail, and a couple of tornadoes are all possible with this system. And before I go, you guys, I want to quickly show you all Convective Outlook Day 4, which still, the philosophy still hasn't changed from the Storm Prediction Center, as they still have just about the same general risk area highlighted. So a severe threat is likely from the lower Mississippi Valley, Mississippi Delta area here across southeast Louisiana, extending all the way north into Ohio. So this is going to be a widespread severe weather event here due to we're not sure how much of the instability will be available. So the severity of this system could be worse than what's currently forecast, but as of now, we're in the slight risk area. So everyone just please be on the lookout this week for severe weather. And I will be back tomorrow morning to give you all a more in-depth detail on this area here for day 4. So check back with me tomorrow morning. And that's going to be it for this one. We're going to go back to day 3 real quick. Real quick, sorry about that. And as you can see, the slight risk does encompass the Arklatex region extending into the mid Mississippi to lower Mississippi Valley. So everyone, please be safe, be careful, and I will talk to you all in the next one.